Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Five Model. In this video, we're going to be covering these video tasks, and this is the video. This is the final that we are gonna make. Making the rock, ocean bed, and the plant. First of all, I'm gonna start off with the rock, modeling the rock. Add a UV sphere and then place it just like this, place it on the Z, and cut it with the bisect tool. We can use the cutter tool, but bisect tool is more useful. So we're gonna use that in the edge mode, that's all, and then cut it from half like this, and then fill it from the middle and lay the outer like that. Now we're gonna cut every part of the sphere and make it shape like a rock, and cut from every side and keep it look interesting and set correctly and equally. Cut randomly and make it look like a rock. First we have to make this all, and then we can cut it in half. Cut this from all sides, then we get a very interesting result. Like that, cut from every angle and look from every angle and cut the spaces and cut until you see something great and give it a random rock look by cutting from all sides like this. After we're done, we get something really interesting just like this. Now merge some vertices and color it like light gray. We can color it later on after we done everything, and then add a plane and then place the rock by duplicating it in the edit mode. Place them and scale them just like here and there. Scale is randomly. We can add driver to it, but I like the sharp edges of the rock. Merge some overlapping vertices and duplicate them as much as you can, as much as you like, and then duplicate it, place it on the floor, the ocean bed. We're gonna duplicate it and place it just like front and back. We can snap it and place it perfectly like that. We get something very interesting. And now for the ocean bed, subdivide the plane and then give it a randomness, and then give it a little yellow sand texture from the material. This looks nice. Now in the size of finger, we can here auto smooth the rock, but here that looks more interesting. Then subdivide and poke the faces from the plane ocean bed, and then subdivide it. Then here auto smooth it, then you get something very interesting. Like that, we can duplicate the rock as much as we can, as much as we like, from to the whole ocean floor, and duplicate it here and there. This will be the place we want. We will place the plant and duplicate the rock one here and scale them, rotate them randomly like here, and duplicate it just like this. Duplicate one here and place it correctly just like that. This looks good. Now we're gonna model our first plant as a reference image. Place them and then add a few with subdivision level to 1. Only keeping it low poly is important, and modeling is simple is more important. Then duplicate this in the edit mode, place it like that, place it here and there and rotate them randomly, and duplicate it and make the coral tubes. I don't know what it really are, but I think it's coral. Rotate them and set them just like this, and scale them from all sides and give some scaling from random places, random sides. Give them some bigger, some smaller, and now we're done. Now scale the bottom faces and scale Z0. First we can add the text. We have to add the text to it, add the gradient texture and the color. Rotate it, rotate the gradient texture and color the bottom a darker color, and color the upper side a lighter. Add the gradient texture like as you see something great, and color the upper part some lighter color. Keep the bottom part dark color and just like that. Now select the pieces in inward and then control plus. Add another texture with pink purple like this, and now scale them just like that. Now we're almost done. Unhide everything and place it. Turn the snapping on and move the cursor, move the origin to the very bottom of the object. Just like this. It helps us snap correctly on the floor. Then place it like this, and Alt D then duplicate it all the ocean floor. Really duplicate it as much as you can and make the whole landscape. Fill the whole landscape with plants like this. Okay, this looks good. And now join all the rocks as one piece. And then duplicate the rocks and keep it in a backup file so we can use it later on. And then we're gonna start with another coral reef and cells we're gonna make right now. And start with the circle with only some little segments, and then extrude it upward and keep the stem long and simple lower. And then duplicate the plane. We can add the plane and then keep it like leaf shape. And then we can duplicate the holes, rotate them, and duplicate them just from bottom to the top. Just like this. This is good and rotate them randomly and keep it simple. After we're done, this will look great. Color them a simple green color, or we can do that after we're done modeling everything. Okay, duplicate it as much as you can, but keep the gaps in between them, and then just like this, make it as one piece. And the proportion, I think, do some proportion in some places. And now we're gonna add another. We're gonna duplicate it and place it on the ocean floor like that. And remember to link duplicate it by Alt C. Then add another circle with like this and extrude it and make it a flower by extruding it from all sides. Then scale them just like this, give some level and a subdivision level to 1 and duplicate it like one here. We can make a flower like this, or we can subdivision and use the subdivision surface modify to make a flower like this. Just that. Just looks great. Now rotate it like this, and then give this rotation randomly from the top and scale the flower petals from the side, and then scale the inner flower a little bit smaller, and then extrude it out the stem of the flower and give it some solidness like that. Now duplicate the smaller flower and place it just like this, and now we're almost done. We can color the same color but duplicate it and give it a lighter blue color, just like this. This looks good too. Okay, now add the origin to the bottom of this object, the flower. Then place these flowers on the ocean floor as you like and wherever you like. And now remember to save your work and keep everything in a separate collection and a separate like plants is another file, another collection, then rocks another and something else. Okay. Now add a circle with less segments. Now we're gonna model the coral fans. We can model the coral fans, but there's another way to do it. We can use the scale modifier to make the coral fan, add a plane, and then extrude merge center, then extrude every segment, every vertex, and give it a tree plant shape, keep it in, and extrude it as much as you like. But remember to keep it simple, give it randomness, duplicate to get them 0, and then vertex center the main vertex. Now give a pink color, nice pink color, and keep it scale from the bottom and keep the stem a little bit bigger from the rest of the frame, rest of the frame. Then we can duplicate it and color it separately, just like this, and color some blue and some yellow, and scale them like that. We can place them wherever we like, and give them ocean red, some color sand to make it look more natural and look great. Duplicate them and place them wherever we like. Color them differently for better results. Just like this, this looks a lot better. Then we have to model the scalp plant, add a plane, and then rotate it like this, shape it like a leaf, and then we're done. Then duplicate it in the edge mode, rotate them just like this, and rotate them 3 to 4 times as much as you like, and place it randomly and cover it green. Now all done. Scale it, apply the rotation and scale of everything just like this, and then duplicate it to the whole ocean bed. I will place it to the side of bed, ocean bed. Then to the final result, we're gonna add the shipwreck here, place it, and arrange everything correctly. And after we done placing the plants, we can add shipwreck to it. We have to add the shipwreck. So I made a ship before in the video. So go check out that video and copy this ship and then back to this file and paste it here. Rotate it like that and give it some randomness. Delete some areas if you want, and give everything some randomness, or select specific areas and give it the randomness itself. If you get something like a problem like this, apply the rotation and scale of it, then it will fix the problem. Just like that. This solves my problem, and then place it like that it hits the rock and it's broken. Just like that. Read the pieces from here. Now, like, it looks a lot natural and great. Delete these if you want, or give it some randomness and delete the pieces randomly like this. It's not looking good to me, so I deleted it. Give as much randomness as you want, but don't make a mess. And remember to keep everything simple and low quality. Just like this, give it a little darker color and drop the flags to the down and delete some areas if you want. And now move it down and keep it broken, bevel it and delete the faces from the middle, and just like this. fill the areas so it will look broken. Now it looks a lot natural. Give it a little bit randomness and then move it a little bit back. Move some areas to make it match from the rock like this. Now it just looks a lot natural and a lot better. Now we take the wheel handle and give it some randomness like this. Now move this vertical loop and rotate it and make it broken like this. Now duplicate this part of the shape. Okay, duplicate this and give it some randomness. A wireframe and Alt S, scale it inward and give a darker color to it and give the plants a lighter darker color. Okay, now we need to add the barrel we just made in the way modified body. Go check out the playlist and see how you can model a complete village and houses and everything else. I duplicate it and copy the barrel from there and place it here in the feedback. And then like, share, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.